If you're looking for a single family home in the downtown Doral area, you are in luck, guys, because this property is the Mallorca model in the Canarias community, offering 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2-car garage with pool, having 3,436 square feet under AC. My favorite part of the home is that you have 1 full bedroom and bathroom downstairs for your in-laws or guests. It is essentially a brand new construction from 2021 and is going up for sale this week for $1,650,000. And if you want to schedule a private tour, all you gotta do is send me a message at 305-439-6211 to schedule your tour today. Without any more delays, follow me, let's check out the inside. As soon as you walk into this house, you get to enjoy the open concept that it has to offer. Look at this massive space. Living room, dining room, kitchen, all connected, easy to flow, whether you have guests over here in your family room or in your living room. Honestly, it has an amazing flow and the spaces are huge. You have porcelain tile and a huge island. You can fit 4 to 5 chairs here in the countertops of your island for an eating kitchen. Very spacious stainless steel sink, nice lighting, and it's been decorated from a professional interior designer with wallpaper, nice little wood finishes throughout. Take a look at this awesome dining room set right here with a beautiful lamp. I mean, honestly, you have enough space here to put a 10-seater or 12-seater if you wanted to as well. There's a lot of natural light that this home offers thanks to all these sliding windows downstairs, which lead to your backyard, which is a dream. Follow me. Having this covered terrace, you can hang out here, put a little table. You know, when you do your barbecue, put a little table, sit right here, enjoy. If it starts raining, you can still be eating and enjoying your backyard, and you have an awesome deck that's PVC, so it's never gonna rot. And there's very little maintenance in this house required. Take a look at this pool, surrounded by artificial grass, so no need to be cutting the grass. Super awesome size, honestly, and enough space on the side for you to have a kids park as well. Take a look at this. You have enough space here for the kids park, and if you're in the pool and you wanna get back into your house, you can rinse off the chlorine of the pool with this awesome shower, rinse off, and get back inside. And you have extra space here on the side, covered with tile. If you want to do your barbecue, put more tables. You also have gutters throughout the roof of the house, so the rain's not falling on you from the roof. Awesome space to entertain, awesome space to have fun in the pool, and a covered terrace in the event it starts raining, you can still use your backyard. This property was professionally decorated by an interior designer. As you can see by the chandelier choice, wallpapers, wood finishes throughout. And one of my favorite features of this home is when you're going to walk to the 4th bedroom and 3rd bathroom, which is downstairs, super comfortable. You get to enjoy this double smoked glass mirror coming in with the wood finishes and wallpaper as well. If you thought the downstairs was big, wait until you see the upstairs. Follow me. And upstairs, you have so much space thanks to the 3,432 square feet that you have under AC. And because you have a full bedroom and bathroom downstairs, upstairs you only have 3 bedrooms, which make them very spacious. And you get this extra loft space for a TV room, an office, or even a kid's playroom. Follow me, let's go check out the other bedrooms. Another cool thing about having the 4th bedroom and 3rd bathroom downstairs is that the bedrooms here are very spacious. Look at how many beds you can have. This is the girls' playroom and the girls' room, but you have a lot of space. So if you're looking for big bedrooms in your home, this could be the one for you. Sharing a Jack and Jill bathroom, follow me. Here you can see we have double sinks for no fighting and your own private shower and toilet area. This will be bedroom number 2, also offering a lot of space, 2 windows with blackout blinds. Take a look at this, guys. King size bedroom, 2 nightstands, and you still got plenty of space for a TV or an office space if you wanna put a little office desk right here. This home is very comfortable, very spacious upstairs and downstairs. And wait until you see the master bedroom. The master bedroom is where it's at. Huge space. You can have your king size bed with a couch or an office space. Honestly, you can start doing whatever you want here because of all the space that you have. And you also have 3 windows to look out at your beautiful pool and backyard. But come check out this bathroom, which you're gonna be amazed by this shower. Take a look at this. As soon as you walk into your bathroom, you have a lot of natural light with a window in the toilet area, a window in the sink area, and look at all this space. You have a double vanity with a massive mirror. And this, honestly guys, This is literally the biggest shower I've ever seen in my life. You can have the entire family shower here and have even more space to spare. And for you ladies that are looking for space for your clothes and purses, this walk-in closet is a dream. Custom made, enough space for you to put all your dresses and purses and much more. Let's go check out the rest of the house. You also have the laundry room upstairs, so you don't have to put your dirty clothes downstairs for your guests to see. Super comfortable. Beautiful property is located at 8110 Northwest 46th Terrace in Doral, Florida, in the Canarias community of downtown Doral. The Mallorca model offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, having 1 full bedroom and bathroom downstairs, 2-car garage, and access to one of the best clubhouses in all of Doral, which is the downtown Doral clubhouse. Listed for $1,650,000, it will go live this week. So if you want to schedule a private tour, all you gotta do is send me a message at 305-439-6211. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.